Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Costco. We're going to be looking at the tool deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTube is the platform, by subscribes and likes. Alright, we got this floodlights here, security activated or motion activated security lights. $39.99 down from $49.99. It's actually really bright. So you guys do see. It does have a sensor on the bottom, so you guys could always leave it on. 5000K, so it's cool white. It's gonna be that nice bright white, not your yellowish. Then you got the shop light. This is a 46 LED motion sensor shop light with remote. $29.99. It's a pretty nice light. Actually, it does have a nice finish. So you guys don't see those light bulbs or LEDs in there. So as you guys do see some examples: shop, warehouse, garage, maybe a gym or something like that. So it's this LED linkable shop light from Coda. So there's the remote right there. You guys look at it. So yeah, pretty nice, and they are linkable too. So they do have this like slimmer profile. $39.99. Not a bad deal on this one. If you want to put it in the kitchen, Jeff Hofstraff does install these in the kitchen. He has installed them before. So if you're going to check out his channel, he probably has a good review on this light or how to do it. Then they got some toilets. Sometimes they have these on clearance, or not on clearance, on sale. That's when you're supposed to get all this stuff. I personally don't buy any of this stuff unless it's like really, really cheap. Same thing with this. This ones are pretty good because if you go to Home Depot, one of these is like 29 bucks. So, and here you get the 4-piece for $39.99. That's a really good deal. And here, this is the faucet, same thing. When it's goes on clearance for $159, $149, it's a really good deal. This is the Delta pull down kitchen faucet. Then you got the Moen brushed nickel bath faucet, $59.99. But like I said, they always do go on sale on and off. This is a really good brand. They do sell this at Home Depot. So if you guys like this, and this is the security light. This was on sale last month. I did end up purchasing 2 of these. These things are great, guys. You don't have to pay monthly fees or anything. You just install this and download the app, and you're pretty much good. $129.99. It's a 32 feet reach, I believe. Yes, it's a 3000 lumen, so 50,000 hours of runtime. And then you got this. If you guys don't know, this is the new style of lights for the shops or for the garages and stuff like that. This is like a 3-piece LED. You can move them around pretty much anywhere. And it is a standard bulb outlet. So you can screw this pretty much anywhere. I used several of these from Amazon. Some cheap ones from Amazon. I must guess that this is a higher quality. So this is 8000 lumen, 80 watts. So you guys are going to know. You guys are getting quality here at... if you got a Sam's membership or a Costco, this is the way to do it. It's 8000 lumen. Like I said, it's $39.99. It's a 2-pack of 3 panels each. So total of 6. You're getting two different lights. It's a pretty good deal on this one. These are the toolboxes. Yeah, we got a nice stainless toolbox here with the wood top. You could probably use this for for the kitchen if you have a commercial kitchen or garage or a shop, whatever. So this is kind of works like for multiple uses because it's stainless and wood top. So this is a Trinity 66-inch stainless steel rolling workbench. 20 gauge stainless steel, 1.5 solid wood top. So you got some nice deep drawers on the left for the power tools, the drills, and all that stuff. So you got some, then you got a nice big drawer and a nice deep drawer there at the bottom. And then just some for the mechanic tools here. So you got some drawers there for the ratchets and wrenches. Cabinet here. You can put multiple steps there. Then you got a handle. Alright, so you got blue DEF fluid, exhaust fluid. And then, I don't know if you guys know, but they have good quality oil. If you want to look at Project Farm's video, big shout out to Project Farm. He did an oil review on all these. He put them head to head, all the Mobile One top brands. Kirkland and I believe the Walmart, and they did come out really high in quality, so you might want to look at that video before you purchase it. But yeah, it's actually Really good price. When they put it on sale, sometimes they even put the mobile one on sale. You can get some really good deal on this one, especially with these newer vehicles that require the full synthetic. All right, so you got this emergency kit. This Bridgestone emergency kit, 50 pieces, $39.99. Looks like some nice gauge jumper cables. It looks like you get a one of those triangles. You got an inflator there and some duct tape and some more stuff there that we can't see. Show you guys the box here so you guys will look at what's included. So this includes tire inflator booster cables. So this is all the stuff. You got some nice flashlight, gloves, funnel, and some, looks like some band-aids and other stuff you guys could use for roadside assistance. Then you got the jump starter. This is Type S. I've used some of these jump starters. I personally do not like this brand, but it does work. It does work because I used it before. I personally do not like this brand because, well, at least the one that I had, the older model, it required you to do all this stuff before you could fire it up. I personally like the ones that you just stick, plug them in, turn them on, and you're ready to rock and roll. Turn them on. But, sometimes they do have all these, safety devices and buttons you have to press before. Then they got this one. This is like a rear view camera. If you got a backup camera or a front camera, if you got an older vehicle, that's a great little setup there. Got battery tender. So if you got a vehicle that you're storing or motorcycle or whatever, got a 19 pocket tool belt, $29.99. I personally, this is actually not a bad little kit here, a little bag set, but I personally like the ones with the straps, because I don't like stuff hanging from a waist. So I like the straps better. That way I can get a better balance. Alright, so you got the DeWalt Mechanics tool set, 72 piece 72 ratchet. You got a 5-degree arc swing, directional technology. This is a black, so really nice set from DeWalt, 184 piece. Then you got the smaller set here, $29.99. It's a 34 piece drive socket set, 1/4 inch and 3/8 DeWalt. So it does include mostly shallow 6-point sockets, as you guys do see here. Got some extensions. You got a nice ratchet that says DeWalt on the side. Pretty much Stanley Black & Decker, Craftsman. Very similar. You got a shatter resistant case. You got removable inner trays for toolboxes. So you can put it in a toolbox. You got a 72 tooth ratchet. You got a quarter inch and 3/8 drive socket there. You got a Dremel tool here. This is a 3000 battery pack. $69.97. It's a rotary kit with 52 piece accessory kit. Oh guys, the solar panels, guys. This is a great option to come and buy your solar panels. They do come with charge controllers. So you guys do see charge controllers regulate the voltage so you don't over charge your battery. If you got an RV, so you guys go camping, do a lot of RVing, that's a great place to come, buy a few of those, maybe about 3 or something. That'll get you definitely some decent voltage on your power banks. All right, $7.99 for this Furman inverter generator with a shut off. So I believe this one's multi-fuel. I do have the older version of this, actually the 2000 watt version. I already did a review on it, and it seems to be pretty decent, pretty good. I did get it on clearance or on sale, and I did find this DeWalt set there. I don't know if it's on clearance because it was the last one that I found there. That's the generator there. So this is dual fuel. Looks like it's propane and fuel. So you guys could, it's 1.8 gallon capacity. So it's a nice setup there. So you got an emergency roadside tool light. So this is another item to catch my attention here. This is pretty much, it comes with a pack of 2. Most of the families have 2 cars. So you can put one in each car. It does have a seatbelt cutter and a glass cutter or a glass breaker. As you guys do see here, it's an emergency flasher, seatbelt cutter, glass breaker. It says work light, flashlight, magnetic, and then you got a red light there for emergency situation there. It is battery operated. That's something I don't like, but you know, that's pretty much what they have here. It's 550 lumen flashlights, pack of 3. You got $14.99 for Duracell 550 lumen 3-pack flashlights. That's it right there. And well, and that's not it. This is a different one. This is a variable speed or variable focus. Got 3 different modes of focus. Pretty nice. And that's a 2,500 lumen flashlight, by the way, $24.99. Then yeah, sometimes they put these on sale. I like to buy them, stock up on these. These are really nice shop towels, and here's some more shop towels. $18.99. I always buy it when they go on sale. I never buy at regular price. Usually stock up for like a year or so. They last me about a year. I don't do a lot of mechanics, but this is a nice. I always buy the wash and wax and put it on my foam cannon. I don't know if you guys watch my review for my foam cannons. I only use Costco was soap because it's cheaper to buy, and you can just pour it like whole. You don't have to water it down or anything, and they work really well. Got a 4-piece ratchet tie down set here from Cat. It's a 16 feet by 1.5 inches, $25.99. It's a nice little set there with some nice handles. And if you want batteries, they definitely go on sale. I don't know, I haven't tried these batteries, so let me know in the comment section how well you like these batteries. But yeah, sometimes they go on sale. They're really cheap. Alright, you got a pressure washer here. It's 3200 max PSI from Husqvarna. It's a gas powered pressure washer with the Briggs & Stratton engine. 2.5 max gallon PSI, or max gallon per minute. Then you got the Michelin wiper blades. I always buy these when these go on sale. I never buy them at regular price. Like I said, this is something that you have to do when you come to Costco. You have to buy stuff when it goes on sale. And this is a car canopy here, or a frame canopy, however you want to call it. So it's $9.99 for the wipers. I always get them when they're $6. So they do go like for $5.99 sometimes, and that's when you have to buy them. Alright, so $2.79 for that steel frame canopy. It's a 10 by 20. Then you got some work gloves here. Water resistant leather. So pretty nice little work gloves here for the yard and stuff. Pack of 3. $24.99. So guys, yeah, and then we got some flooring. Yeah, flooring, $28.99. It's actually on sale. It's minus $8, so you're gonna save yourself $8 a piece. So 18.14 square feet. You get 9 planks. So pretty nice. Waterproof laminate wood flooring. So that's the material there. That's pretty much what you're gonna get. I personally would just go tile, but you know, some people. And then they do have some folding electric bicycles. I don't know if some of you are interested in this or not. That way you can keep up with your kids when you go riding bicycles. A lot of us are older and we don't have the condition that we used to have before. So this one's $349. It's 350 watt motor, folding electric bike. And those are the specs there. 15 miles per hour. So that's pretty good. Obviously, if you go faster than that, it feels kind of scary. But 15 miles per hour, pretty decent. That's the bicycle there. It's really small. You can probably fit that in a car, inside a trunk or something. So pretty decent there. And then they got the 9-bot kick scooter from Segway, or powered by Segway. So if you guys remember those rental bird scooters, or it's pretty much the same thing. It's just commercial grade or adult size. So you got some nice controls there. Guys, that's it for today. Just want to show you guys what was up at Costco. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform. By subscribe, likes, and we'll see you guys in the next one.